This is an emergency action termination. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. So there have been numerous reports of a hostile individual that seems to have an infectious substance that takes over the body of any individual that it seems to interact with. Citizens refer this thing as Substance 3592 and describe it as a black figure withholding the substance. Avoid staying outdoors and maintain yourself in your shelter. Please, also report any sightings of 3592 or any infect ants of it.